Good morning. I'm currently on the roof of claim number 1163N737F. It's August 20th, 77 degrees. I'm on an 812 pitch slope. I've been contracted to perform shingle repairs paid for by the carrier, and today we're going to be documenting this particular shingle repair. We are going to be using our roof snake today. It is a tool designed for these specific shingle repairs that the carriers want us roofing professionals to use. I'm going to be as careful as I possibly can throughout these repairs, manipulating these shingles as minimal as possible. I'm only lifting the shingles high enough to where I can visually see where my nails are and allow enough room for the nails to come out. I'm using the hatchet end of my hammer to assist me in gaining access to these nails. I am noticing some granules being disrupted as we're trying to manipulate and removing these nails. I'm going to be using a standard 3-tab composition shingle to go into its place. Got some sort of under laminate that is not allowing our shingle to come out. We're going to be using a standard 3-tab composition shingle to go into its place. You can get it at any local big box store. Reveals seem good, dimensions seem good. Now we're going to reinstall our nails. Once again, now that I'm installing these nails, the vibrations of the hammer hits, a lot of granules are becoming dislodged, shedding off of our repair area here. I can see them and hear them. All right, our repair is complete. And I'm seeing multiple areas where severe fractures or hinging has started to occur above our shingle repair, creating a domino effect here. I'm seeing a fracture showing up on one shingle here, multiple severe fractures showing up on a second shingle, as well as a third shingle. More fractures or hinging has occurred. 3 shingles have been damaged in the process of this one shingle repair. At this point, I would consider this a failed repair attempt, and I would kindly ask if you guys could reconsider the repairability aspect in this particular claim. Now I want to see if we can demonstrate the granule retention in these shingles above our shingle repair with this fine bristled paintbrush. First, I want to come up here to a control area. These shingles have not been manipulated, and I want to gently wipe these shingles. See, this paintbrush isn't causing any harm to these shingles whatsoever. Granules are still adhered, nothing's happening. Now I want to come back down to where I was clearly seeing these fractures, and I want to gently wipe these shingles. You see all the granules continuing to become dislodged, actually making the fractures in some areas even more pronounced. All this is simulating the next heavy rain your insured's roof gets. That's it. This tells me this is gradually going to get worse as time progresses. As a matter of fact, I would strongly suggest you send a preferred contractor out to your insured's property if you do not agree with this assessment today, and we would love to be here to witness them professionally and properly complete these shingle repairs without causing further damage like what happened today. I've got 17 years of roof repairs experience, and unfortunately I would not feel comfortable, nor would I be able to warranty your insured's shingle repairs due to this continued damage that occurred. My goal as a contractor is to get this insured's roof back in the condition that it was in before the storm hit. Today, in the attempts to repair one shingle, 3 more shingles have been damaged. It is actually worse now. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.